What's up, guys? I'm checking out more Emily King. This one's titled Waterfalls, requested by Nichelle Taylor on Streamlabs. Big shout to you. Haven't heard this one before. And yeah, that being said, let's go and check it out. I think this is the first time I'm ever listening to just like audio from her. Like, usually it's just a live performance or, a live thing. But yeah, this is the official audio. Let's check it out.
Situation. You've been working so hard. I know I've been impatient when I don't know where you are. No, it might be difficult sometimes, but I still want you by my side. So much for waterfalls. I think we have to make the climb. So much for waterfalls. Feels all where we shine.
Okay, it's pretty smooth.
Everything is changing. People growing apart. That's when I get to thinking I might be losing your heart. No, I know it's gonna get better, but darling, only if we try. So much for waterfalls. I think we have to make the climb. So much for waterfalls. Feels all where we shine. So much for waterfalls. I think we have to make the climb. So much for waterfalls. Feels all where we shine.
That was nice. That was nice. Definitely more of a slower song, but that was really nice, man. The vibes were definitely really good. She just sounds like the most basic, review of all time. But yeah, I mean, it wasn't like a whole lot to, I feel like it's not like a whole lot to talk about or dissect from this song. But Um, yeah, it was a beautiful song. I definitely enjoyed it. I thought the production, everything about it sounded really good. And yeah, it's really nice. Emily King, Waterfalls. And I'm sure as far as like the lyrics go, there's definitely, some stuff you can take away from that. And yeah, but yeah, that was Waterfalls. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you smack the like button, subscribe if you're new. That being said, much love, stay safe, and peace out.